In this talk, I will be explaining how a CNC lathe is operated. To show the operation, I will be using Cadence Multimedia CNC Simulator.
This is the console through which you perform most of the operations. This is the emergency stop button, which you press when something is going wrong and you want to stop the machine immediately. To start the machine, we first release the emergency stop. This is the edit lock. It locks all programs and other data so that they cannot be altered by accident. We must unlock this key to make changes to the programs and tool data. The machine axes must be moved to their home positions. This is the home button. Press the X key to move to X home and the Z key to move to Z home.